This is the SAP Developer News for January 25th, 2024.
We have some exciting news for you. SAP TechEd 2024 is just around the corner and it's going to be bigger and better than ever before. This year, we have 3 unique and convenient event experiences designed just for you. First up, we have SAP TechEd Virtual happening on October 8th and 9th. It's a free 2-day virtual event that will deliver SAP technology news and announcements through global keynotes, technical and developer enablements, and engaging live and pre-recorded sessions accessible to everyone worldwide. Next, there's SAP TechEd On Tour. This is a series of single-day in-person events held throughout the year. These events are hosted by SAP experts and the SAP community, providing deep learning, networking, and hands-on engagement. Locations will span from North America, Europe, the Middle East, and more. Now, as one of the major stopovers on the SAP TechEd Tour, we have ASA Tech Connect. In partnership with SAP TechEd happening in West Palm Beach, Florida from November 12th to the 14th. This is a 3-day event and is a significant stopover on the SAP TechEd Tour. So, to read more and get notified about the updates and news on the 2024 SAP TechEd program, click the link in the description below.
Did you know easiest way to get to know about SAP Fiori Launchpad and the apps is from the help section. Click on the help icon in the shell bar at the top. You see the green bubbles like notifications, how to personalize a page, add a tile, and on the right there are many more options. We also have a quick tour which gives a brief overview about MyHome, adapt the layout with an interactive tutorial. Click on the megaphone to know what's new from the last release and what's coming up in this release, in the new release. Once you launch any app from SAP Fiori Launchpad, you get a quick tour about the app itself. And that's a summary of the help section.
We have some exciting news about upcoming in-person event. The SAP Insider event is going to be taking place in March in Las Vegas. Now, this event is going to have all kinds of technical content for developers. Some of our developer advocate team is going to be there presenting hands-on sessions. But we have a special treat for those of you that are coming to the event a day early, because on March 18th, we're going to have a special Developer Challenge Day. It's all going to be focused on artificial intelligence. We're going to have some experts from our team at SAP there to answer your questions and help you get started using the various business AI capabilities that are offered on SAP BTP. We'll even provide free accounts for you to get started using, connecting up to large language models, and we'll give you some challenges to work through. So if you're interested in AI, you've got a little extra time at the start of this event, then come by, enjoy the learning, and get to compete with some other teams in this day-long challenge. So we look forward to seeing you in Las Vegas in March.
The developer advocates have completely revamped the SAP Build Code Jam. I won't tell you what the scenario is, but it's a lot more fun and interesting. And it tells you a lot more about SAP Build apps. For example, how do I bring in data from S4HANA or from the ES5 system? How do I bring in data from a CAP service and how do I update data from there? How do I bring in controls from the marketplace? How do I build interesting formulas and a whole lot more? At the same time, we'll teach you from the ground up a lot more about SAP Build Process Automation. Again, building actions to get data from S4HANA, or how to update my CAP service from a process, or how do I make decisions or approvals, deploy, release, and a whole lot more. The first place we're going to offer this is in Ghent, Belgium, and again, a couple days later in Herne, Germany at the end of February. So we'll leave a link in the description on where you can sign up for those code jams. But we also wanted to tell you that anyone around the world can host such a code jam. Just let us know, and we'll have also a link in the description on how you can sign up to host an SAP Build Code Jam. Hope to see you there.
Hello everybody! Have you heard about the new approach to software development called Fusion Development? with Fusion Development, business experts, also called the citizen developers, and professional software developers come together as a team to create innovative business applications faster and at scale. At SAP, two experts, Kanishka Raghuraman with his business expertise and Chinmaya Gorachandra Chowdhury with his technical expertise on system integrations, have formed a Fusion development team. They have developed business application for invoice process management on SAP Business Technology Platform called SAP BTP. They are using various services of BTP like SAP Build Apps, SAP Build Process Automation as low-code, no-code tools, SAP Document Management System for data storage, and SAP Integration Suite for process integration and monitoring. Kanishka and Chinmaya have beautifully blogged their Fusion development story in an engaging way on SAP community website. Part 1, called Tale of Fusion Development with SAP Build, the beginning. Part 2, called Tale of Fusion Development with SAP Build, the conclusion. These two blogs are enjoyable. Would you like to read these blogs? Then please check the links in the description below, and do not forget to subscribe to this SAP Developers YouTube channel for more such tech updates straight from SAP. Until next time, enjoy learning.